Hey, this is Mike. Today we're going to do a 5.7 Hemi half-ton four-wheel drive dual catback system. We're going to start by removing the exhaust all the way up here at the factory white pipe. You can see I took and torched it off so I have a full nipple. I'm going to cut this all down and then we're going to start putting some catback dual exhaust on it for you. Just a moment. Hey, we're going to take and reuse all these factory hangers on this side. So we're just going to pop it all out, leave it on the chassis. This is our factory wire. We cut down new white pipe with 3/8. We're going to build a bolts chamber. We're going to slip it on. We're going to point it straight back from the chassis. And we're going to get parallel with the frame and get her spotted. We're going to set our head pipes from the face of the rear end to the inlet of the head pipe, 33.5, right there. Get a nice level, parallel with the chassis. Get some spots on it. Second measurement, we want to be from the front of the rear end housing to the case of the muffler, 19.5 inches. It's right on your instruction sheets. We always make our head pipes a little long for any length of pickup, for the maximum length of pickup. So you always have to cut and adjust your head pipe length to get that 33.5 or whatever the instruction sheets tell you. So we'll get this one spotted up and get it leveled. We're gonna put the second head pipe in parallel with the first one. And I always put the seams to the top, so when you look up from the bottom, you don't see the seam. It's on the top, out of view. We already know our length, so we just set it parallel with this first muffler. Give her some spots. The white pipe is always set up in a fashion so you just slip your head pipe into it and then make you spot weld. Makes it easy to weld, always pointed towards the open area. Let's get the second muffler set up in place. And we're going to make sure both cases are parallel with each other. We're going to spot weld the mufflers together. Always spot weld your mufflers on the outlet and the inlet together so there's no debris or rattling. Keep them up nice and tight. We're leveling the tailpipe. I'm going to get the bubble between the lines. Go ahead, Kinder. Give us a spot. Perfect. When we're setting the axle pipe on the driver's side, set it up in the muffler. Always set it up in the chassis. Give yourself a finger's width. Get it spotted in 3 spots. Now get your axle pipe set. Right now we're gonna level this left-hand tailpipe. Get her to 0. Nail it. Just give me one on the inside there. Got our tip on here nice and level. We're gonna make sure it's just about 4 inches out. Go ahead, give me another spot. Perfect. Go ahead, go ahead. Right there on 4. Let's see where we're at. Go ahead. We went ahead and opened up our bag of hangers that are provided for you. Various lengths and angles. Now we're just going to go through and sort out which hanger. We got 2 8-inch hangers. We're going to pop them back up in the factory holes. We'll weld one to the outside. Weld one to the inside. Come back here, we're going to catch our tailpipe hangers. After we get it all done here, we're going to get our hangers welded up. Got everything set for heights. This is how you put an exhaust system on. 1/2 ton, 3/4 tons, 5.7s, 6.4 Hemi Dodges. They're all exactly the same.